Welcome to our video on the 8 laws of the subconscious mind. The subconscious mind, often overlooked, is a powerful force that governs our perceptions, behaviors, and experiences. It's like the hidden depths of an ocean, full of unseen influences. Understanding its laws can help us navigate our lives more effectively, making us aware of the unseen forces at play. The laws we will be discussing today include the law of unconscious activities, the law of equal thinking, the law of attraction, the law of correspondence, the law of reflection, the law of concentration, the law of expectation, the law of belief, and the law of accumulation. Each of these laws offers unique insights into how our subconscious mind works and how it impacts our daily lives. So, join us as we delve into these fascinating laws. Prepare to unlock the mysteries of your mind and gain a deeper understanding of yourself and the world around you. The first law is the law of unconscious activities. This law states that whatever you focus on will expand in your mind. If you observe a fish in the sea, you'll soon start seeing more fish. It's a simple principle, but it governs our perception every day. The second law is the law of equal thinking. Essentially, this means that what you think about, you start to see everywhere. If you're thinking about happiness, you'll begin to notice things that bring you joy. The third law is the law of attraction. This law dictates that what you think about, you attract. Like a magnet, your mind draws in things that align with your thoughts, whether they're positive or negative. The fourth law is the law of correspondence. This law posits that your inner world directly influences your outer world. If you program your mind positively, your external world will reflect this positivity, and vice versa. The fifth law is the law of reflection. This states that the outside world, when reflected back at you, influences your inner world. A kind word can uplift your spirits, and you'll likely respond in a similar manner. The sixth law is the law of concentration, which insists that what you focus on, you obtain. Your focus shapes your judgment, feelings, and sensations. The seventh law is the law of expectation. This powerful law suggests that anything you expect, especially when accompanied by strong emotions, will manifest in your external world. The eighth law is the law of belief. This law states that any belief that you hold and repeat, associated with your emotions and feelings, will be deeply programmed into your subconscious mind. Lastly, the ninth law is the law of accumulation. This law proclaims that any thought you dwell on repeatedly will accumulate in your subconscious mind and will considerably influence your perception of reality. In summary, the laws of the subconscious mind dictate the way we perceive and interact with the world. They underscore the power of our thoughts, beliefs, and expectations, and highlight the incredible influence our subconscious mind has over our lives. Understanding these laws can help us harness the power of our subconscious mind, shaping our reality in ways that align with our deepest desires and highest aspirations.